Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and this website pay you Binance BNB. Okay, first of all, come in this website link available in description. This much Binance pay you every 3 minutes. This website, just click claim. In here, first of all, solve its capture. It's too easy solving this capture. So show you horse. Just click the horse available in this picture and just click verify. That's it. Then solve this capture is too easy too. It's 0x0. Which one? This one is 0x0. This is 30. Just click 30. 3x. Just click the 3x. 02x. This is 02x and just click. In here, paste URL, or you can type your faucetpay username. How you can find your faucetpay username? Come in the faucetpay and click the app in here and just click account setting. In account setting, this is your username you can put to your faucetpay. Just come in here, put your username in faucetpay. My username is 199090 and just click claim. And that's it guys, you receive your satoshi instantly to your faucetpay. And I go to my faucetpay, go to user dashboard and come down in here, show you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website pay you your instantly satoshi to your faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye for now.